Alright, so I've been seeing everybody using underwear for a face mask. So instead of using the underwear, what sense does that make? Old or new or whatever it is, you can use a regular t-shirt. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Regular t-shirt, I got sleeves, long sleeve, short sleeve. Alright? We used to do this as kids when we was playing ninjas. Alright? See it already? Boom. You can put it as tight as you want. Alright? See that? Take this, the two sleeves. Pull a little bit, adjust it, alright? You do whatever, alright? Same thing. Same thing. Cover your face up. Put this in, tuck it in your shirt, tuck it in whatever. Boom. Turn into a whole ninja. Don't ask me what else we used to use this for, but boom. Turn into a whole ninja, just like that. So you can walk through. Boom. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Boom. Don't need to use underwear. Alright? Try this one. Don't use underwear. This is easy. Everybody got a t-shirt. What if it's a bunch of females that don't have no males in the house? You ain't got no male underwear. No boxer briefs. You can use a regular t-shirt in the house. Even for little kids, small t-shirt. Fits perfect. Alright?